Hey everyone, welcome to Brain Master Guide. Get ready for an exciting ride. Let's jump right in.
Willy Wonka.
Then. Now.
Johnny Depp. 61 years old.
Charlie Bucket.
Then. Now.
Freddie Highmore. 33 years old.
Mrs. Bucket. Then. Now. Helena Bonham Carter. 58 years old. Mr. Bucket. Then. Now. Noah Taylor. 55 years old. Violet Beauregard. Then. Now. Anasafia Robb. 31 years old. Veruca Salt. Then. Now. Julia Winter. 31 years old. Mike TV. Then. Now. Jordan Fry. 31 years old. Augustus Gloop. Then. Now. Philip Wiegritz. 31 years old. Mrs. Beauregard. Then. Now. Missy Pyle. 52 years old. Oompa Loompa. Then. Now. Deep Roar. 67 years old. Mr. TV. Then. Now. Adam Godley. 60 years old. Mrs. Gloop. Then. Now. Franziska Trobner. 70 years old.
Thanks for watching.
End.